Hello everyone. From now we will be learning basic Java. So today we will be developing a Hello World Java program. So let's get started. So first of all we have to open Intelli J Idea, which is already open here. Now we have to click on this new project button. After clicking we will see a window where we have to provide our project name. So we will be providing our project name as Java Learning. Then we have to select the location where we want to save our project. So my location is on desktop, Java Learning folder. Then we have to select the language. We have to select the build system, which is Intelli J for now, and then we have to click on create button. After clicking on create button, it will take some time. Now it will open a new window with our project with the default configuration. Now we have to open this source folder. There we can see a main class is there, and there is a new window which will try to explain you the shortcuts every time. So you can close this. If you want to explore these shortcuts, you can explore. Now we have to open the main class. In the main class we can see there is a already written code is there. So we will take a walk through this code and we will try to run and we will see the output for now. So let's rearrange this code somewhat for now. Now this code looks more beautiful. Now our main purpose through this code is to print hello world string. So let's run this program first and then we will take a little bit of explanation. So to run the program we have to click on this green button and we have to click on this run main. Now in the console we will see our output, that is hello world. Now we can change this string and we can see another output. Let's print hello Pankaj, and with the Ctrl S we can save this program and we can run it again. Now we can see our new output, that is hello Pankaj. So we can understand that whatever we are giving here in this line number 4 system.out.println, and in the double quotes whatever string we are providing, our program is printing that. So for this video we are all good. In the next video we will be learning more about the Java.